life, no one can do it for me. With this beautiful thought, a warm and cheerful good morning to everyone. I am Jyotika Shah from Standard 4th A. Along with my classmates, are going to conduct today's digital assembly. When I pray, the coincidence happen. When I don't, they don't. So let's start our day with a beautiful prayer with my classmate Tithi Parmar.
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, तुम ही हो नैया, तुम ही खवैया, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो जो खिल सके ना वो फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही।
Now I would like to call Father for the prayer.
Happy morning, my dear students. Let us begin this day with a small prayer. Almighty God, source of life, we worship and praise you. You are the truth and origin of all knowledge. Bless us that we may study well, obey our parents and teachers, and be honest in our behavior. Lead us from darkness to light. Bless our studies and enlighten our intellect. Grant us the grace to seek truth and make us truly wise.
One word, 6 letters, millions of memories, thousands of mistakes, zero regrets, endless care, love and happiness. So, let's join our school anthem with Dhruvraj Dhanwani.
Scenes of our childhood, scenes of our youth, scenes of our childhood, scenes of our youth. The school we love and cherish dear, the school we love and cherish dear, preparing us for life of ways, preparing us for life of ways, sending us forever we will cheer, sending us forever we will cheer. God bless our dear old school, God bless our dear old school, our principal, father, teachers all, our principal, father, teachers all, our playmates too, and all other friends, our playmates too, and all other friends who will write our names in mortar, who will write our names in mortar. St. Xavier's our alma mater fair, St. Xavier's our alma mater fair. God bless you is our daily bread, God bless you is our daily bread.
Good morning everyone, my name is Jalan Sijaria from class 4th A, and the thought of the day is believe in yourself. Believe in yourself because your voice is important. Believe in yourself because your dreams matter. Believe in yourself because there is only one you and you are worth it. By believing, we can achieve all our goals.
Things like money. We never had a true idea of its value until we lost it. Now, my classmate Jay Bambani is going to speak on our topic health.
Good morning, respected fathers, sisters, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Jay Bambani of Standard 4th A. My topic is health. Health is wealth. The most important element to lead and practice for a healthy life is staying healthy is not just being physically fit, but also includes emotional, social, mental well-being. Activities such as playing an instrument, games or reading give the brain necessary exercise to improve health. Healthy habits like brushing teeth twice a day and washing hands before meals will keep you healthy. Ending my speech with some lines said by Gandhi ji, health is real wealth, not the piece of gold and silver. Thank you and have a nice day.
To be a great champion, you must believe you are the best. If you're not, pretend you are. With this, I would like to invite Prisha Kilwani to speak on a topic, sports.
Good morning everyone, myself Prisha Kilwani of Standard 4th. My topic is sports. Sports plays an important role in educating students as it teaches them to become strong from inside and also develop a fit and sound body. Qualities like tolerance, patience and tips to handle pressure is well taught by sports. It also teaches the value of team spirit and proficiency to show victory and defeat. Sports education not only teaches the students to maintain the physical stamina but also the habit of obedience, discipline, the determination to win willpower, etc. The power of reasoning, mental development, vocational specializations come from the academic education of the students. Therefore, sports education along with the academic results and the all-round development of the students is also justifies the statement, a sound mind resides only in a sound body. Thank you for listening patiently. Have a nice day.
Morality is the pledge of truth to oneself and others. With this, I would like to call Ritu ma'am for the pledge, and I would like to request everyone to stretch your right arm for the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and all my elders and treat everyone with courtesy. I pledge my devotion to my country and its people. My happiness lies in their well-being and prosperity.
Last but not the least, now I would like to thank Father Principal for giving us this opportunity. Now get ready for the national anthem.